Welcome back to the show floor here at PPMA Show 2023. We're PPMA TV, brought to you by Markham Image, and I'm bringing you Hilton and Stefan here from Interroll. Gentlemen, thank you very much for joining us on your beautifully designed stand, I have to say. We're going to chat about product in just a moment, but first things first, Hilton, Managing Director here, just tell us a bit about Interroll.
Yeah, thank you very much. We're really pleased to be here at the show, and I'm really glad that you like our stand. So Interroll is a global company. We focus our strengths are in materials handling for internal logistics, and today we focus predominantly on food handling. So we're showing today our new food conveyor platform, and we have other products on show, and we have our solution sales director, Stefan, and he'll be able to talk you a bit more through the products that we have showing here today.
Super link, Hilton. Don't go away. I'll come back to you in just a moment. But Stefan, as Hilton set up there, you brought various products to the show here this year, some of which you have displayed on the table here. Tell us a bit about what we're looking at.
So yeah, here on our table we show our food-grade drum motors. The drum motor is basically an electric drive inside a completely sealed drum. So we have an electric motor, we can have it with an asynchronous or synchronous motor technology combined with a gearbox. IP69K, that means it's very easy to clean it with high pressure water jet cleaning. It is also resistant against cleaning agents, so you can really use any or most common detergents in the food industry. And that's the reason why drum motors are often used in the food industry. So we have different solutions. You can just take a blank crowned drum motor to drive a friction-driven belt. Yeah. We can also add, for example, a sprocket onto the drum motor. Then we are able to run also plastic modular belts. And what's quite new, since 1.5 years, we have brought a frequency inverter onto the market, which is a decentralized frequency inverter, which has several benefits, especially in terms of reducing the cabling effort, except of putting all the cables to a centralized cabinet, which normally requires long cableways. You can connect here the cables in daisy chain from VFD to VFD. We have this in two mounting versions. Once you can have the mounting version where you put it directly onto the conveyor frame, or we have here the version where the frequency inverter is mounted like a terminal box directly
straight onto the drum. Work. And in terms of the benefits here, you mentioned some of them there, and particularly given that this is, say, IP65?
IP69K.
69, okay.
Basically the most you can have. High pressure water jet cleaning is no problem. Up to 80 bar pressure, up to 80 degrees Celsius. This is what this motor can handle. Also, our food-grade drum motors are EHEC certified. So EHEC is the European Hygienic Engineering Design Group. Also, Interroll is a member of this group. And how do you see that? For example, when you see here this little blue sealing between the end housing, this is actually a hygienic sealing where we avoid a metal-on-metal contact. This is the most hygienic way, so there is no chance for bacteria, for dirt to get in between this gap.
Good stuff. Slim package size as well makes it very flexible for integration into lines, I suppose.
Exactly. The main benefit is basically that everything is integrated into the conveyor frame. You have no protruding objects at the side, like an external gear motor. Yeah. So that means the danger to burn your fingers or just to walk against the motor is basically not giving with the drum motor. And it's what I always say the biggest disadvantage from our side is that people don't see the drum motor when it is installed in the conveyor, which is a design benefit for many customers, but that's maybe a little bit why the drum motor is a hidden champion. And actually the drum motors are used everywhere in checkout conveyors and supermarkets, a lot in the food industry, especially with our industrial motors. So when you have a look at the machines, at the very narrow, tiny conveyors in machines, you very often see Interroll drum motors there.
Stefan, good job. Thank you so much for chatting us through that. Final point to you, Hilton. Here we are at PPMA Show 2023. Why is this an important platform to be talking to your customers about this kind of technology that you're bringing to market?
So we've always participated at the PPMA show, and we've always had very great interest from our customers, and a lot of people visit us at the show. We do consider it as a leading show within the sector that we are servicing, and the fact that we've got something new to show today, we're really excited about this, so we're happy to be here and launch it at this particular show. A lot of our customers are here as well, so we get to meet both new and existing customers, which is really great.
Stefan, Hilton from Interroll, thank you very much indeed for joining us, and I wish you every success at this year's show.
Thank you so much for coming past.
Thank you very much.